Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Rocky Linux 10.1 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Rocky Linux official website and download. It is rockylinux.org. Click on download or download, either is same. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release of 10 version is 10.1. See here we have the DVD ISO, boot ISO and minimal ISO. Whatever you want, you can click on to download, or you can download by using torrent. See here. Okay, I am going to download this DVD ISO. It is full image. Okay, click on it to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 8.6 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Next, then select this installer disk image file ISO radio button. Then click on browse and select the downloaded ISO image. Go to this folder. See here I have the Rocky 10.1 DVD ISO image. Select it. Then click on open. Next, now provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. So by clicking on this browse button, this is the default location. Okay, select the path where you have the enough space. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine. If you want to customize any one of these options, click on customize hardware. I want to give memory 4 gigabytes, or you can provide memory in megabytes here. Then go to display and select this accelerated 3D graphics. Then click on close. Don't select this power on this virtual machine after creation and click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Now use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Rocky Linux 10.1, and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See, the beginning installation has been grayed out because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So select the installation destination. I am okay with the default one. Click on done. Then root account. See, root account is disabled. If you want to enable, click on it and enable. Then set the password for the root account. Remember this password. Later we need this password. If you want to allow root sh login with password, select this checkbox. Then click on done. Then user creation, and giving user full name as R2 schools. Then add administrative privileges to this user account. Then set the password for this account. Confirm the same. Then click on done. If you want to change time and date or keyboard formats, you have to click on them and you can change. Software selection. See, we have these based on environments: server with GUI, server, minimal install, workstation, custom operating system, virtualization. Whatever you want, you can select based on these based on environments. See here we have these options. Whatever you want, you can select. These are optional. Okay, so if you want to select any one of them, just you need to select the check boxes. If you are okay with this selection, then click on done. Review these settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video and then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Click on reboot system. Now click on username and provide the password that I have set for this user. Hit enter. Skip for the tour. Now open terminal. Increase the font size and color. More / OS-release to verify the version of the Rocky Linux that we have installed. See, we have installed version number 10.1 and this is the code name. Q to quit control A. The first step after connecting to Rocky Linux 10.1 is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update ampersand sudo dnf upgrade, hit enter, put the password of the sudo user. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Rocky Linux 10.1 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.